First, I really would like to thank Director Santiago and the whole NBI troop here. Talagang maganda yung pagkakatrato nila sa anak ko. Tama ka, for the last 2 years, hindi kami nagkita. And hindi ko rin siya mapuntahan dun sa Timor-Leste because my husband was also in and out of the hospital. We were not able to go home to Negros the past 2 years until my husband passed away last December 24. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na after 2 years, nakita ko na, naakap ko na yung anak ko. And